Okay, good evening. Welcome to
FamilyMath1056.
FamilyMath 1056. So we're doing a bunch of projects on some problems that Catriona Shearer, some puzzles, I mean, that she's posting. This one I think was actually from today. Two semicircles are placed in a diagonal of a square. What is the total shaded area? So first, tell me some approaches that you took on this problem.
Well, I tried to find what this side would be and what, like, sort of what the radius of each of these would be.
Okay.
Because I thought this was sort of a general, or not a general problem. I thought there was going to be some angle here, an angle here that you could use to find this side, and then this side here, and then from there you could find the radii.
Uh-huh.
But it seems like it's more of a general problem for any configuration of any length, here being 4, I think.
Yeah, it is a general problem. So you have a square, and then you have the diagonal of the square, and then you draw some length to the diagonal, and it happens to be 4, and then you draw these two semicircles. And she's asking what's the shaded area.
Mm-hmm. So if it's a general problem, what you could do is slide this over until the right semicircle is infinitely small.
Okay.
And we'll have an infinitely small area, and this diagonal here is infinitely close and becomes this side of the square. So if you say the side of the square is 4, that means this left semicircle would take up the entire diagonal, and the diagonal would be 4 root 2, so the radius would be 2 root 2. Then pi r squared, 2 root 2 squared is 8, so 8 pi would be the area of the whole circle, so 4 pi would be the area of this, the half circle, semicircle.
Interesting. Okay. That only checks one case though, so we're not sure that maybe it would change if you moved it instead of this point or this line segment going up a side. Is there any other simple place you could check?
If you just dropped this line, and then if the two semicircles were equal in area, so these two are equal.
Okay.
This is 4, that means this would also be 4, this would be 4. So the radius on each would be 2. So that would mean pi r squared would get you 4 pi again, and once you combine these two equal ones, you actually do get a circle with radius 2
Okay.
as your total area, so you don't need to divide by 2, just adding the same thing again.
Okay, nice. So that doesn't solve the problem completely, but it's a really, really good talking through it, because at least we know it's sort of two easy to check cases. It stays the same.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what I'm going to have you do now is we're going to go look at the Twitter thread, and you're going to find a solution that you think is really interesting, and then we'll talk through that, okay?
Okay.